On today's episode, we're talking about the current state of online marketing, and I'm giving you permission to be your true, awesome self. But first, let me change into something a little more professional. Alright, let's get to it. Hello everyone, my name is Adam Earhart and welcome to the Modern Marketing Show. Super excited to have you joining me here today and for the opportunity to share some of the latest and greatest marketing strategies, tools, tips, and tactics, and all the things that are really going to help take your business and marketing results to the next level and hopefully way beyond that. Now, I had a pretty powerful day the other day and I really wanted to share with you. You see, I had a couple really good conversations with some friends and mentors that I really look up to because not only are they incredibly genuinely good people, they've also built massive multi-million-dollar companies and they've done it ethically and authentically and all of the things that I like to preach about with you. So the long and the short of it is that they gave me some really good insight and some really good ideas, and I paired that with some thoughts and some recognitions of things that I've been seeing going on in the online marketing space for quite some time, and well, it left me kind of speechless, which, if you know me, is rare. But probably the worst part of this all is that I realized I may have been part of the problem, and my commitment to you is that ends now. Here's what I'm talking about. I've been involved in the online or internet or digital marketing space for more than 5 years now, which in internet marketing years is like 1,000 real years, because this is an industry that chews up and spits out people faster than fashion or Hollywood or any of those other ones where they quickly burn people out and get rid of them as fast as they came in. Now, how I managed to both survive and thrive all these years is another story entirely, and it calls for a different video on a different day. The cliff notes is that it's some combination of authenticity and putting serving over selling. But again, we'll get to that some other day. So in my time doing online marketing and doing digital marketing strategy for myself and for my clients and students, I've seen a lot of stuff go down. Now, first we had the all hail the guru and look at my Lamborghini period, which I'm sure you're familiar with if you've had a social media account for any length of time, where I'm sure you're sick of seeing those pictures of the Lamborghinis or people in front of the giant mansions or the look at me, I'm so smart type of posts. We also saw the rise of those infamous screen sharing posts, the ones that showed income reports of how much people were supposedly making online. Well, this was a period where excess was praised, and anything you could do to look super mega rich was fair game. I saw a ton of people bursting onto the scene, rent a Ferrari, rent a beach house, rent some friends, take a bunch of pictures, post them all over, and then disappear almost overnight. Fortunately, this was never really my style because man, oh man, was it ever shady. But like all things, the pendulum swings, and where we're at now and the following period right after that was the guru bashing. Live in a van, sell all your stuff and live a minimalist lifestyle, don't talk too much about your success, and don't be too flashy, period. Sure, success is still okay, but don't talk about it too much and don't make yourself look like a guru or an expert that actually knows what you're talking about, just in case it makes you look self-absorbed or egotistical. Sadly, this extreme is just as bad as the previous one. And again, this is where I've acted as part of the problem more as part of the solution by kind of adopting more of this style than the former one just because it resonated with me a little bit more. But again, neither of these extremes are healthy in regards to your business. Now, of course you don't want to be that cliched fake internet marketer posting all those fake rented pictures in front of all your fake rented stuff, selling people garbage for too much money. But the extreme is also true where you don't want to hide your success and you don't want to hide everything you're capable of doing and all of the value you're capable of providing. So don't hide your success just to validate others' lack of it. You've worked hard, you've earned it, and you have something of value to offer the world. It's okay to be a role model. It's okay to be successful. And it's okay to kick ass and take names. And it's okay to share all of this with your people, your tribe, your audience, your clients and customers, both as motivation and as inspiration. So my appeal to you is this: just be you, the best version of you, whatever that is, and don't be afraid to kick and take names. The world needs you to. So in my quest to encourage you to share who you are, what you do, and the value you provide, I really want to encourage you in the comment section below to introduce yourself, maybe provide a link to your business, and let me know what you do. I'd love to hear about the value you provide, a little bit about you, and a little bit about your business. And please, don't be afraid to talk about the true value that you provide. I don't want you to be shy here. If you've never done something like this before, I understand it can be a little off-putting, it can be a little scary to go out there and to claim what you're capable of doing. But again, don't be shy. The world needs you to step up and fully embrace the value that you provide, and your customers and clients need you to do it just as well. So again, let me know a little bit about you in the comment section below. I look forward to reading each and every single one, and I'll catch you next time on the Modern Marketing Show.